welcome our all viewers of Expert News 24 on the online platform. As I am welcoming you all the listeners and the viewers. Today we have invited our so important guest who have not the requirement of the new identity because why he is the Odisha cadre IS officer 1985 batch Sangram Mishra. Sangram Mishra had played a pivotal role inside in the bureaucracy of the Odisha, and he had taken the retirement from the additional chief secretary of the estate. It is a very renowned place and the post that he had deserved. Sangram Mishra, when taken the leave from his bureaucracy, then why he had chosen the publication for his life, why he is writing a lot of the books in English language. I translated in the French, British and so many another languages of the worldwide. We will ask some of the important questions from the Sangram sir. You are most welcome to our program. We want to know that what you have need in that bureaucracy is a memorable moment for you all.
To state that I am a 1985 batch IS officer of Odisha Cadre. My motto has always been to be pro-poor, pro-people, pro-imperious and pro-active. During my service career, I have gone to looks and corners of the state, saw the feelings of the people, their predicaments, their requirements, and I have tried to cater to the needs of the people. You know, IS is a service, is one of the best services in the country, arguable. And my point is that in this we get a lot of scopes to reach to the people. And I have gone during my the principal secretary of the Public Revanche and Pension Administration Department, which has merged with General Administration Department. I have gone to the different places, reach out to the people. We have organized Samadhan Shivers even for the farmers, and where collector, SP and everybody was present, and they were serving and they were solving the problem.
As the Sangram Mishra, having that interest, by from his childhood, from his school days, that he is having an interest in the literature, so that's why the Panorama Publishing House had been established by the icon Sangram Mishra ji. We will ask some of the questions related from his book, the unsung story he has written down. What is the things that unsung and why he had the requirement to write it in some letters, and now this is the book, the unsung. Sir, to our viewers about the something about it.
I am a poet and a writer, a narrator from my school days. So I have always been writing. This is not a new thing. Of course, over the years it has been refined, it has become enriched, it has become better. My point is, so why literature is today? All over the world, the literature people, they have changed this. Starting from Voltaire, Rousseau and everything. They changed people, everything has gone from this literature. A paradigm shift needs the motivation and motivation. Unsung verses is there. Unsung means it has not been sung, unknown. I have been the mouthpiece for the poor. I have been the mouthpiece for the downtrodden. I have been the mouthpiece for the impecunious, the people who cannot express themselves. During my office career, I have reached out to the people and have become a voice for all these people. The famous Odia writer Sachi Rautre told that he is a powerful voice for the people.
And many of the burdens of the life, many of the peoples don't go by through their solid statement. So that's why the unsung is required from him. Sir, you are an academy retired officer from the IS, and you have just write down the academy days also, and I think so far these books have contained inside in the Masuri where the IS Academy is established and taking the experience of the life or to play the life important parts in the IS officers. So what contains this academy gives you?
As the name of the sellers, it enriches the experience, motivates the people to submit IS, and it gives a glimpse of what is happening in the academy, how the training is conducted, why the training is conducted, trekking, village visit, and this thing. Suppose why village visit is being conducted by the academy, that India lives in villages. The bureaucrats, the vendors go to the village and know how it is happening. So this is the academy day, and people by and large have liked it, and the review has been very good. And this book has been liked by one and all.
Sir, and the last, we want to also make you the familiar from this fact that the Sangram Mishra, as IS retired officer, is also the editor-in-chief for the Panorama News Channel and the Panoramic Viewpoint editor-in-chief he is. So, sir, what things you want to give the peoples of the India or the world that you are also the editor-in-chief of the
I want to reach people. I want to be the voice of the downtrodden, impecunious. I want to show from my experience and knowledge, whatever I have done, how India can go on progress, how India can take the trajectory to reach the vector, the progress. So that is how. So after retirement, I didn't take up any government job because I wanted to have a free word and express myself in a positive way, in a constructive manner, with all of positive. I am a robust optimist. So all these things are happening. My point is, and thereafter, so I decided I will go to literature, I will go to journalism. So this Panoramic Viewpoint, the newspaper, fortnightly newspaper coming out from Delhi, and the Panorama News India, that's a news channel. And of late we have gone into the publishing, the Panorama Publishing House.
Very
So
good.
that's the complete year we are to reach the thing.
Thank you, sir.